Hello, welcome you to all the presentation of VIP Tech Private Limited. We are fastest growing online live training company. Guys, if you are looking for growth in IT career, so you shall watch this video completely and visit us. So, firstly, who VIT are and what is our vision and mission? We are a group of experienced IT professionals to prepare new industry-ready resources. We are providing services in IT since last 10 years. We make online-led training more comfortable, interactive and useful as compared to offline training. We have a unique training curriculum and we run all types of training program for professionals, corporate and institutions. So, moving on our vision, we want to become largest online-led training company, to be a center of excellence in IT technology training, also to become a single point of contact for industries and individuals for training on latest technologies, to bridge the gap between manpower and industry. Our mission: achieve excellence in providing professional training with leading national and international institutions, focus on practical aspects of course material, to collaborate with other academic and research institutes of the world to strengthen the education and training system, also to address skill shortfalls faced by IT industries. What we do? Our services. We are providing corporate, student and institutional trainings. In corporate training, we are providing on-site and off-site corporate and enterprise trainings and enterprise knowledge sharing. Whether in student training, we are providing a specialized training program, industry knowledge and technical and soft skills. In institutional training, we have highly experienced team for training and placing professionals and we have also partnership with institutes. So, corporate training. If you are looking for fresh blood with not just strong technical and soft skills, but the maturity and knowledge of 2-year experience resources, then you are at the right place. We are open to run a customized version of our program for selected fresh candidates who are awaiting their joining date. We have our industry-ready resources, automation and value-added finders, corporate training, and we are also managing interview processes. In professional training, our training program does not just make you enhance your skills, it takes you far beyond your fresh peers. Apart from technical and soft skills, you are endowed with industry knowledge, which only people with 2+ years of experience would typically possess. We have syllabus as per industry requirements. You are get trained by industry professionals. We have industry guest lectures, project exposure, lifetime training material accessibility, and placement assistance. Moving on to our institutional training, our team has been in the business of training and placing professionals for the past 10 years with a 100% record. Our students are working with the biggest brand in the IT industry and are delivering exceptional value to their organizations. You can partner with us to leverage our program for your students and differentiate them from the crowd. We have value-added learning, increase in number of student placement, increase in brand value, increase in admissions, and number of companies visiting. Our training features: instructor-led sessions. We have industry expert instructors, various assignments, real-life case studies, lifetime access, expert support team, and certification. We have various key highlights in our training and certification program. You can get trained by industry experts. We have weekend training programs for professionals, lifetime training accessibility, guest lecture industry project exposure, syllabus as per industry requirements, and placement assistance. What courses VIT offer? We are offering Selenium automation training, Salesforce developer training, full stack web developer program, Python certification training, Hadoop certification training, AWS developer certification training, AWS Architect Certification Training, Machine Learning Certification Training, Java Certification Training, Continuous Testing in DevOps, and DevOps Certification Training. We have a great team in our group, like we have product team, sales and marketing team, content team, customer success team, HR and admin team. Candidates, you can visit for our review in Google, Facebook or just dial or sulekha.com. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query, you need any information, you can visit us or you can contact us or WhatsApp us in below details. Thank you guys.